Ukraine's special forces have developed new software that allows drones to fly without the use of GPS, limiting the impact of Russian jamming. The software, called Eagle Eyes, allows unmanned drones to travel using sight rather than satellite-based GPS navigation, The Economist reported. It uses AI to compare live video of the area below the drone to a map made from photos and video that a reconnaissance aircraft previously collected. This means that drones can keep flying even if Russia tries to jam them, the report said. The software can also recognize targets, like missile launchers and tanks, and can drop bombs or fly into them without the drone operator needing to give the order, according to The Economist. Kurt Volker, a former U.S. ambassador to NATO and former special representative for Ukraine, told the outlet that the technology could be a big factor in helping Ukraine turn the tide against Russia, but that it will take time to see how effective it is. A commander in a special forces corps called White Eagle, which is helping develop the technology, said the software is already being used widely and is cheap enough to be used on kamikaze drones that are destroyed on impact, making them ill-suited to expensive upgrades. A White Eagle captain told The Economist that Russian jamming stations are the primary target, and Russia's S-400 air defense systems the second. More drones have been used in Russia's invasion of Ukraine than in any other conflict in history. Both sides use them to conduct reconnaissance and to attack troops and weaponry, all while developing electronic warfare to try to make the other side's drones less effective. That has led to a new arms race, as both countries try to develop better drones and drone jamming technology. In May 2023, the Royal United Services Institute, a UK think tank, said that Ukraine could be losing 10,000 drones a month, mostly due to jamming. James Patton Rogers, a drone expert at the Cornell Brooks Tech Policy Institute, described the situation to media as a battle within a battle. Meanwhile, it's basically a cat-and-mouse game, Fabian Hinz, a drone warfare expert at the International Institute for Strategic Studies, told with both sides frequently making big technological leaps. Ukraine has used cheaper, civilian-grade drones for much of the war, but those are particularly vulnerable to electronic warfare, making new and affordable software like Eagle Eyes key, while Ukraine had responded to Russian jamming efforts by building new types of drones and drone software. According to Mikhailo Fedorov, Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine for Innovation, this includes a new drone education, science, and technology, said late last year had a powerful GPS antenna that was resistant to Russian jamming and electronic warfare. A Ukrainian company also said last year that it had developed drones resistant to Russian jamming technology and delivered the first batch to Ukraine's military. On the other hand, in a rare and intense face-to-face confrontation, a video has surfaced showing close combat between a US-donated Bradley M2A2 infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, of the Ukrainian Army and a Russian BTR-82A armored personnel carrier, APC. This extraordinary footage provides a first-hand look at the brutal and close-quarters nature of the ongoing conflict in eastern Ukraine. The encounter concluded with the Bradley M2A2 emerging victor, showcasing its superior combat capabilities. The video, reportedly taken near the front lines, captures the Bradley M2A2 and the BTR-82A engaging at extremely close range, highlighting the critical role of armored vehicles in modern warfare. The Bradley M2A2, known for its robust armor and advanced firepower, goes head-to-head with the BTR-82A, a staple in the Russian armored fleet. The Bradley M2A2 IFV, manufactured by BAE Systems, is a tracked vehicle designed to provide both firepower and protection to infantry troops. The Bradley M2A2 IFV. It is equipped with a 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain gun capable of firing various types of ammunition, including armor-piercing rounds, making it highly effective against both armored and soft targets. Additionally, the Bradley carries a TOW anti-tank missile system, which can engage and destroy heavily armored vehicles at significant distances. For infantry suppression, it also features a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun. While the Bradley vehicle's composite and spaced armor offers enhanced protection against kinetic and shaped charge threats, and optional reactive armor tiles provide additional defense against explosive projectiles. The 25mm M242 Bushmaster is a highly versatile and reliable chain gun, primarily used on the Bradley fighting vehicle and a variety of naval and ground platforms. This externally powered, chain-driven autocannon is capable of delivering sustained fire with high accuracy, designed for maximum reliability and minimal maintenance to ensure consistent performance in various combat scenarios. The 25mm M242 Bushmaster can fire a wide range of ammunition, such as armor-piercing discarding sabot, APDS, high-explosive incendiary, HE, and target practice, TP, rounds. This versatility allows it to effectively engage armored and soft targets, including infantry and light vehicles. The gun offers selectable rates of fire, typically ranging from 100 to 200 rounds per minute. This flexibility allows operators to conserve ammunition during prolonged engagements while providing the option for rapid fire when needed. The effective range of the M242 Bushmaster varies with the type of ammunition used, but generally achieves effective engagement distances of up to 2,500 meters, approximately 8,200 feet, against ground targets, making it suitable for a variety of tactical situations due to its accuracy and range. The M242 utilizes a dual feed mechanism, allowing operators to switch between two different types of ammunition without needing to reload manually.